How to install cheater lenses into your welding helmets. Starting with our passive helmet, locate the area underneath where the standard shade lens is housed. Here, you'll find a clear plastic placeholder lens underneath a small frame. Remove the placeholder by unclipping the frame from the inside of the helmet. Then, grab your cheater lens. Place it in and make sure it's nice and flat. Then, attach the frame back onto the helmet. It's as easy as that. The lens is even easier to install in the auto-darkening welding helmet. As you can see on the inside, there's a slot for the cheater in front of the shade lens. Take your cheater lens, slide it through, and position it close to the middle. This may take a little wiggling, but you'll get it in there. And that's it. Your welding helmets are now equipped with cheater magnifying lenses and are ready for work. If you're interested in shopping for plastic or glass cheater lenses, you can find them on our website at phillips-safety.com.